Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice, has gained attention for its potential health benefits. Consuming turmeric daily can trigger remarkable changes in the body. Let's explore the transformative effects of turmeric in just 2 minutes. Reduced inflammation. Curcumin in turmeric helps alleviate chronic inflammation, benefiting conditions like arthritis and heart disease. Boosted immune system. Curcumin strengthens the immune response, fighting infections and providing antioxidant protection. Heart health. Turmeric lowers cholesterol, improves blood circulation, and reduces the risk of blood clots. Improved digestion. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties aid gastrointestinal health and digestion. Weight management. Curcumin boosts metabolism, aids fat burning, and curbs appetite. Joint health. Turmeric reduces joint inflammation and pain, supporting mobility. Skin health. Turmeric clears acne, promotes wound healing, and protects against aging. Liver detoxification. Curcumin enhances liver detox and protects liver cells. Eye health. Turmeric combats oxidative stress, supporting overall vision. It reduces inflammation associated with eye conditions like uveitis and conjunctivitis. Turmeric supports overall vision and visual acuity. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember to consult a healthcare professional before making dietary changes. Prioritize your well-being and stay informed about your health. Stay curious, stay healthy,